In this video, I'll show you how to program a new code in your Weiser, I don't know how you pronounce it, door lock. So the first thing you need to do is to go on the other side. And over here, we need to remove this panel. Usually just by pulling it, you should be able to remove it. If not, there is some tabs sometimes on the sides. And you're gonna take this panel and you're gonna flip it the other side. Over here, there will be a sticker with the instruction that I'll show you right now how to do them in practice. But no matter which model, even if you have a different one, the sticker will be over here and maybe the instruction will be slightly different. But for this one, all you have to do is to find the program button on the back over here. So in my case, the program button, let me add some light here. The program button is right over here. You see, it says program button. And all I have to do is to press on it once. You're gonna hear a beep. And now you need to go on the other side on the number pad and input a new code before it beeps twice. Over here, I didn't do it quickly enough. So now I need to restart. Okay, so you need to be quick. Press over here. And now input a new one. Let's say I want this. And at the end, to confirm, press the lock button. So the code is now registered once you hear that long beep. So let's try this out. I'll lock. Okay, it's locked. Definitely cannot enter. And now let me put my passcode. Here we go. Oops, no. Oh yeah, it was, sorry. Yeah, I didn't push enough. Now I didn't know, but on the sticker here, it even says if you want to enter a second code. So you can have two codes that actually work. So you can give one to somebody else that will have access to that door. So over here, you see, enter a second code, push the program button twice, and then repeat whatever I showed you. So let me just do it quickly. If I press this button twice, quickly, now I can enter my second code. Let's say, okay, and I confirm it. And now there is two codes. Let me lock it and let me put my second code, and here we go, it works. Obviously, if you have another model that looks slightly different, the process will also be different, but over here it's quite easy. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll put some links on Amazon if you want to get one of these or similar ones that I'll find. And yeah, thanks.